Public Wi-Fi is everywhere. Cafes, airports, hotels. But it's also where hackers love to attack. That's why a trusted VPN matters. This is Norton VPN Standard, a simple and powerful VPN from Norton, one of the most trusted names in online security. It's built for privacy, speed, and peace of mind. Norton VPN Standard protects your internet connection. It encrypts your online data, hides your IP address, keeps your activity private so you can browse safely anywhere. Using Wi-Fi at a coffee shop or airport, Norton VPN secures your connection instantly. Your passwords, banking details, and personal data stay protected from hackers and snoops. Norton VPN uses bank-grade encryption to keep your data private. You also get no-log policy. Norton doesn't track your activity ad blocking, stops trackers and annoying ads, kill switch, disconnects internet if VPN drops, Windows and Android only. Split tunneling, protect sensitive apps only, Windows and Android only. Simple. Smart, secure. Unlike free VPNs, Norton VPN is stable and reliable. Enjoy. Smooth browsing, fast connections, consistent performance, no lag, no stress. One subscription covers up to 5 devices. Works on Windows, Mac, Android, iOS, perfect for your phone, laptop, and tablet. Here's the best part. Normally, Norton VPN costs $79 per year, but on StackSocial, you pay just $19. That's 75% off for a 1-year subscription on 5 devices, available for new US users only. Social proof, rated 4.5 out of 5 stars by verified buyers. Fast activation, trusted protection, great value. If you want private, secure internet access, this deal is hard to beat. Click the link below. Get Norton VPN Standard. Browse safely today. Subscribe for more software deals and privacy tools. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.